chef here.
And
Nice
we're
to meet
making
you.
chicken karaage in Nanban.
Yay! Hi, David.
We've got the eggs cooking,
Yeah.
the chicken frying, we've got the
Yeah.
sauce going.
Boiled eggs and deep fried chicken. Okay. David is making Nanban sauce. Yay! Okay.
I made chicken Nanban.
You nailed it.
Yes.
You are a good chef.
You are a great teacher.
Thank you.
Hacchan sensei.
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。Dat stond op de foto. Ja. Dat mocht ik niet tegen. Ik weet niet of die gaan zitten.
I like where we went with Holland the last.
Hier gebruiken om in de winkel bij te kopen of in het eten ontbijten.
Wij gaan
Af? Daar worden weer al stukjes van af. Je hebt hem nog niet af. Thank you so much, Hacchan.
Okay, thank you so much.
It's been a wonderful experience. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Everyone's
so much,
been super
David.
lovely.
Oh, we are rooting for you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, make a special videos.
I will.
Yeah, thank you.
Shut up voor de DJ-boot. Zie je dat niet?
drie.
Dit doen, hè? Op die groene. Gochisousama deshita.
はい、ごちそうさまでした。ありがとうございます。
Otsukare-sama deshita.
あ、お疲れ様でした。
Yes.
How was your meal?
Mecha umai.
めっちゃうまい。
Yeah.
Ah, you speak Japanese very well.
Thank you. You speak English phenomenally.
Oh, thank
Amazing.
you so much. I'm trying to study English.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm trying to study Japanese.
Yeah, of course. And then let's meet again someday.
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely come back.
Yeah,
Jane.
thank you, Janet.
Janet.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye. Bye. Thank you.
And that's Goody Nakatsu.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, thank you so much.
サラダとさつまいも。
Oh my god, lifesaver. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye.
Chome.